So you'll get an idea on what are the job opportunities, how the market at the moment and near future on Salesforce jobs. Okay. So here Salesforce.com is the vendor. So just like what we have in the market, like Wipro, Infosys, TCS. So just like that, Salesforce.com is the vendor here. So this Salesforce.com vendor provides CRM applications. Okay. So these CRM applications are in several cloud services. So Sales Cloud, Marketing Cloud. Okay. And then Call Center, Service Cloud. Like that, we have cloud application. So the main platform for CRM applications is cloud computing. Okay. So this is the technique where application development and deployment and accessing the application that you have deployed to the cloud vendor's server through internet browser. So by getting connected to the vendor's website, so you can access the application that is ready to use, so developed by them. Okay. So such type of applications are called as SaaS applications. Software applications you are getting as a service basis. So by those cloud vendors. So these CRM applications come under this cloud property as. So other than this, we have a few other cloud properties, infrastructure as a service. And also platform as a service. So cloud vendors not only provides software applications to the customers, so they also provide the infrastructure, so where their customers can able to store their data, valuable data in their servers. So here, so Google Drive. So Google Drive is such application. So where you are directly accessing the Google servers space allocated for you, like 10 GB per account, 15 GB per account, like that. So you can access this Google Drive from any device. So there is no dependency. So that is the beauty of the cloud applications. So all the cloud services are having the mobility. So on the way you can access the cloud applications and you can work on it. Okay. So just like Google Drive. So under this infrastructure as a service model. And also Gmail. So Gmail is a product software application. So for that to access, so no need to install any specific application. So if you have web client or web browser, internet browser, so you can able to access Gmail account and you can able to do all the functionalities that allows in Google, so in the Gmail interface. Okay, so that is one web application, cloud application. So here, so developing platform, application development platform given for you, so already ready to use application it is. So using this platform, you can able to develop softwares. So for this, no need to install so high-end, so no need to maintain high-end systems at your location. So all the things will be, so all the headaches related to so platform, so providence. So cloud vendor will take care about this. And everything will set up for you. So you just need to apply your logic on this platform to develop the software application. Okay, so we have several APIs, so application programming interfaces. So in the market, so using those APIs, so you will connect to their website. So you will use the ready to develop applications on these. So here Salesforce provides all these basic services of cloud computing. So it provides CRM applications, sales, marketing, call center, etc. under the software as a service model. And database.com, so as a data source for all the customizations you've done on Salesforce platform, applications you develop and the records you create, all will store in the database.com, which is the database underlying in the Salesforce platform under this infrastructure as a service model. And coming to the platform as a service, so Salesforce for the first time provided Force.com platform. So the platform name is Force.com platform. So which allows two different types of developing the applications, software applications on this platform. So in two approaches, one is declarative approach. So without writing a single line of code, so you can able to develop the software applications. So using the setup options. So this platform contains setup options. So by learning those things, so which feature, so when that applicable, okay. So by learning all those things, you can able to develop application very easily and very quick manner. So for this, no need to write any single line of. And second way is programmatic approach. So in this programmatic approach, I will use Salesforce specific technologies. So we have technologies called ethics. So this is to build the controlling part of the application. Okay. So this is just like other programming languages we have in the market. So this is enterprise purpose language. So this is not general purpose language, just like Java. So it is only to develop applications that can be run on these Salesforce platforms. And next we have Visual Force. So Visual Force is for UI development of your application to develop the UI part, page layouts, all those things, tabs, buttons, custom things that are not supported in the setup option. And also we have other technologies, scripting language. SQL, S4SL, Salesforce object query language, search language. So about these things, we will see. So by learning all these technologies, so you can able to customize manner, more effective, efficient manner, writing the logic, fully control over the application you are having. Okay, and also Salesforce. So as it CRM applications mainly the product of Salesforce is there is a so few admin activities also there. Like record sharing, user management, and schema explorer, schema builder, and workflow automation engines. And also reporting, real-time reporting and scheduling the reports. So dashboard building, all those things you can do on Salesforce platform. Okay.
What are the developer activities?
Yeah. Developer activities.
Administrator and developer activities we use coding.
Yeah, developer activities contain. So these two ways of developing the applications. Okay.
Okay.
Includes this one. The first way of developing application and other activities like reports generation, record sharing. Okay. So user management, schema activities, process, communication templates creation. Okay, page layouts, so app development, those things. Most probably. Okay. So here, so coming to the job roles, we have Salesforce administrator, developer, consultant, analyst. So these are the major job roles. So we have in the current market in India, and also abroad. So in abroad, most.
And also, what is meant by Salesforce evangelist?
Salesforce. Sorry, your voice is breaking. Can you repeat?
Yeah. And what is Salesforce evangelist?
Salesforce analyst.
Analyst and evangelist.
Can you text? Can you text in the chat? I think it is something so expert.
Okay.
So maybe Salesforce expert it is evangelist. So another name for expert. I have to check this one. So terminology I have used. Yes. So these are the major roles. So whatever it may be the term, so the things you will do, so related to either programmatic way of developing the application or customizations or declarative way of developing the applications. First option is the declarative approach. So using the existing set of options, so you will develop the things. And you will use the existing So features to create real-time reports, dashboards, dynamic dashboards, and workflow automations, validations, record types. Okay,
Okay.
all those things we will do. And then if any feature is not supporting so that customization, then you will go for programmatic approach. So we'll see from the beginning. So first we'll see from applications, how to develop application using iterative approach, and then what are admin activities we have, and then we'll go for developer activities. So what is Apex, what is Apex class, triggers, so what are the basic development things like so if statements, conditional loops, okay, so collections, like that we will see, and then Visual Force components creation, and so how to fetch records using SQL. So what are the different applications tools we use, so how to install them, how to configure them in Salesforce. Okay, so those things. And then Salesforce administrative certification is there. So ADM 201 certification and Salesforce so platform developer, app developer, app developer 1 and 2 certifications we have. Okay, so each cost $200. So once after you've done the training, so you have to do the certification. So optionally. So if you do this certification, so it is having good value in the market. That is it. Okay. So this training contains syllabus, so that applicable in both training, both certifications. So ADM 201 covers as well as app developer 1 it covers. So 2 is advanced training, so that is not required now. So that is it. Yeah. Do you have any questions? Please let me.
No. What happens if we fail the examination, sir?
Yeah, you will be having 3 attempts. So your first
How
attempt
many?
is 3 attempts.
Oh.
So you can do it for next 2.
We have to pay again $200
Yeah.
for second attempt.
After that you have to pay. Again you can want to. And also, so this is, so every time you have to maintain this certification by paying $100
Per year.
per year.
Validity of the certificate? Okay, we have to maintain.
Yeah.
It will not expire.
So you have to take maintenance exams. So with every update in Salesforce, so yearly 3 updates will be there. So for every update, you have to clear that maintenance exam. Then your certificate will be maintained. Right. Yeah. Any other questions you have?
No questions.
Okay. Okay, I think I'm done. So if you have any questions, so you can ask their trainings. You can tell them. Okay, you can also share your screen.
Oh, okay.
Okay, Srinath, thank you for the session. Have a nice time.
Hello. Yeah,
Yeah.
okay. Fine. I can't hear you. Your voice is breaking.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, now I can hear you. Okay. Yeah. How many course duration? How many months? How many days?
Yeah, it's 50 hours training. Maximum.
Okay. Fine.
Okay, Srinath.
Okay.
Thank you. Have a nice time.
Yeah.